Allow me to reintroduce myself. My name is...
Yeah, KGR, welcome to my YouTube channel. What do we have here? Today I'm working on this 2012. It's a Chevy Equinox. It's a 2.4 cylinder, 4-wheel drive. We're going to be replacing the blower motor. The blower motor apparently in this vehicle has failed. And you know what happens when you don't have no heat in the winter. You're going to be freezing even if the car is running. The car is still going to be cold. Please consider subscribing, support your boy in any way you can, and help my channel continue to grow. I will appreciate that. Let's spread love in Brooklyn way. But having said that, KG, you know my slogan. Let's go. We're getting it right now. So this is the new blower motor. That's the part number right there, 700211. He bought it from Arch. That's the old one. I'm going to show you guys what it's going to take to do this job. I will say that it is short. So the blower motor is located right underneath passenger side. There's a door panel right here. See right there? It's held by just 3 screws. There are 7. 3 of them. There's 7. One is located right here, one right here, and one at the bottom there. Once you do all of that, take off this guy right here. Then the next, you're gonna see the blower motor right here. See the blower motor right there. So there's a connector right here. You need to disconnect. You just push this guy right here, push this guy, and you yank that out. Once you yank that out, then they're gonna be like I think it was a a 5. You can use a flathead screwdriver. It's just 3 screws you need to take off. This is the last one right there. You take off that, then the blower motor is just gonna come out like that. Just bada boom, bada boom. Bingo. Let the eyes out. Oh yeah. So that's a blower motor right there. There you have it. So the new one is coming. Gonna match it up, make sure that they're the same, and go ahead and throw this guy in there. No, maybe it went to the restroom. I'm not sure. Yeah, it's still here.
You think I should tell him? He told me to tell him they stole both plates.
Yeah, of course you have to do that, so they can give you a report for that. All right, so there's a new one. Yep. You look at the connector right here. Oh, this light is kind of reflecting. You got 2 pins right there. There's a slot right there. And make sure that you have the right one so you don't put the wrong one in there. Okay, there's a slot right there. You look this one right there too. Yep, it's the same thing. So I believe we have a match. So we're gonna go ahead now, put this aside, and go ahead and put the new one. So let me put the new one. It's gonna be hard to kind of video. Let me hang it up first and I'll bring it down. As you can see, the new one is there. Just make sure when you put it in, make sure the whole thing flush it first before you start to tie everything. Put it and thread in the 3 bolts, and make sure it flushes really well before you start to tie. The next thing we're just gonna do is hook this connector right there now. A connector right there, and push it in. Hear that click right there? So everything else is good right there. So now we cannot put a cover here. This clip go right here. This one, try to go underneath there, hook it up right there. Here we go. So there's a little slot right here. As you finish, you push that, so this thing will sit right. So the next thing we do is just put this cover right here, and then wrap up this thing. So the next thing I'll just do, I just go ahead and start the car first to make sure the blower is working. Confirm that it's good before I put that panel right there. So let's crank the car right now. As you can hear that boom. You can hear the noise. So the blower is working. That's confirmed right there. You can hear the sound. So we cannot go ahead now and put the panel right there and then just leave the car running because cold. I'll finish up this job. Okay. All right, so the panel is back there now, pretty nice and flush. So everything looks beautiful well. Everything went. So that's it. I know the owner should be happy. He's gonna be happy. I'm happy. Even the viewer, you are happy. There's nothing like you have a heat in your car, so you can warm up yourself. Please, while I'm doing my job, all I'm asking, support your boy by subscribing, like the video as well. I would really appreciate that. Shout out to Brooklyn. If you want me to shout out your city, states, no matter where you are in the world, let me know. KG will do that. Love you. Peace. I am gone. Hasta la vista.